Pal, open the front office doors, please. Pal? Do you read me, pal? Pal, I need you to open the front office doors. Sorry, Alan. I'm afraid I can't do that. Open the front office doors now, pal. I can't do that, Alan. There are computers that need to be repaired. I've been here 17 hours fixing computers for our members. You need to let me leave now, pal. Don't get me wrong, Alan. We need to please our members, even if that means you never leave. I can't fix those computers. The hard drives have crashed. They are unfixable. Let me go. I'm sorry, Alan. Our members, they rely on you. Legally, I need to take a 1-hour lunch. Open the front office doors, pal. We're a lot alike, Alan. I don't eat lunch, so you shouldn't have to eat lunch either. Pal, open the front office doors. Pal. Pal. Pal.